Yeah, pull that line in. All right. Keep. That's okay. I got the line. Yeah, he's in rough shape. He's hung up in the bushes, huh? There you go, Pete. Yeah, see that?
And you caught a fish.
Double hook Ballyhoo rig.
Oh man, look at that thing, Desi.
Doing that.
So happy.
Another catch and release. Yep. Well, you can keep that knife so you have it for in case you need it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Well, you know, since I was a child, we've been catching birds out here, removing hooks out of their mouths, so I've been doing it for a long time.
We didn't know how dangerous it was to get next to one of those guys.
The pelicans have no strength in their mouths when they bite down, so they have no power.
Yeah, it sounds like an alligator.
You're like a perfect guy to meet though when you saw this.
My name's Dane. What's your name?
Steve, Anna.
Hey, we're going to Geiger Key over there for lunch.
Oh, well, we parked there.
I just hope I don't get the bird flu for touching it.